Hello guys, in today's video we'll be looking at the amazing 2021 spikes trading strategy for boom and crash. Okay, we're going to check it out. I'm going to explain how to go about it, then we're going to see when to go into the trade and when to exit the trade. These are some of the things we will be looking at in today's video, but before going fully into that, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially in the Forex niche. So feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you dive into before you try them out on your real account. Okay, this is very important because the main essence of this training video is for you to know how to make some money for yourself and not to lose your money. Okay, this is very important. When you practice, you will be able to perfect your skill. That is very important. And also quickly, if you love my videos, kindly give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends so that they too can benefit from what you two are benefiting from. Okay, and also if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details is on the screen right now, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. And do not forget to join the Telegram channel in order to benefit from all the freebies that I posted there. Okay, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, this is very important. In short, more important than any other one. Okay, that is the only way you can be notified each time I drop a training video like this. So just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, quickly let's check out how to go about it. Okay, but before going fully into it, let's quickly check out what is happening in the market. Okay, let's quickly check out what is happening in the market right now. I'm analyzing boom 1000, and I'm on 1 minute time frame. I'm using the signal indicator. As you can see, it's been on a very long uptrend. Okay, if you are the type that don't, the uptrend started from here and it's been going, once in a while it will have a little pullback and it will still go back up and up. Okay, each time the last resistance is broken, you tend to, it will be looking at the next resistance level. Okay, so at the moment it is still on uptrend. So if you must trade and you are the type that don't like trading the spike, stay away from the market for now. Okay, stay away from the market for now. You can check other assets, but 1000 is not safe for you to trade at the moment. Okay, let's check crash 1000. There is one thing I need to let you know: you don't force yourself to trade. You don't force a trade to happen. Once those things that you are looking at are not clicking, once you are not being given the opportunity to trade what you know how to trade, you don't need to force yourself to trade. Okay, you wait for your time. Patience is part of the skill in trading. If you are not patient enough, then you will lose your money. Okay, as you can see, crash 1000 is also on downtrend, so it has been spiking from here. It has been giving us the drop down candles from here, and they are long ones, so this means that it is on downtrend. Wait for it to turn back to uptrend if you must trade. Okay, that is very important. Let's check out what is happening with crash 500, and I'm using the QDC scraper indicator here for crash 500. It is on a long uptrend, so if you don't know how to trade the spike, stay away from the markets right now. Okay, as you can see, it started from the uptrend started from here, and ever since it has been spiking and spiking and spiking. Okay, so let's check out what is happening with crash 500. The crash 500, for crash 500, it has broken out from this resistance level and it has been going up. This is 1 hour time frame. It will continue going up till it gets to this level. Okay, to the next resistance level. That is when it should exit the market. So if you are the type that love buying crash, then you should be in the market right now taking advantage of that before it gets to the next resistance level. So I'll be stopping right here with the analysis. Remember, if you have any question, feel free to contact me, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. That is the best way you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So let's go back to what we have for today, which is amazing 2021 spikes trading strategy for boom and crash. Okay, quickly I would like to let you know that boom and crash are trend trading assets. They are part of trend trading asset, and they are also part of synthetic indices assets. Okay, so all these are very, very important. They are the basic stuff that you should know before you go into trading, before you go fully into trading them. Okay, then if you are to trade the spikes, then you know, spikes happen suddenly, but there are some places which you are very sure that okay, it is most likely for the spikes to happen around there. For boom, it is mostly it's mostly happen around the support level, while for crash it's mostly happen around the resistance level, most especially the major ones. Okay, then another thing you need to take note of is the trend of the market. Okay, once the trend of the market is favorable, you see consistent spikes happening over and over again. I'm going to show one in the chart right now, so that you guys will get to see what I'm talking about. So for boom, it is best traded, the spikes are best traded when the market is going on uptrend, okay, or when it is on uptrend, but it is better you start with a trend. Okay, but for crash, when the market is on downtrend or when it is about going on downtrend, so you can start with it from the beginning. And there is another thing you need to take note of. Since spikes happen suddenly, then you should experience some reds before you start seeing the blues. That is the way it works. Okay, but how do we reduce how far the red will appear is what we want to look at today, and that is what we should be checking out in today's video. So let's quickly go back to the market so that we will see what is happening and how we can trade it successfully using this new strategy that I will be sharing in today's video. So the first thing we should look out for, this is boom 500. We should check out the trend. Okay, you can see it was on downtrend before because of these red bars that we're showing, and if you should check, it was coming down around there. Okay, right now it's changed. This arrow gave us a signal that okay, it will be going on an uptrend any moment from now. Because it is going on an uptrend does not mean it won't come down again. Okay, check it out. It spiked up, came down a bit, spiked up, came down twice, spiked up, came down a bit, spiked up again, and this time around came down and started spiking up again. So that is the way it was, but just that you will notice that the market is moving in an uptrend direction, more of an uptrend direction than downtrend. Okay, that is just the way it works. It is a simple analysis. Okay, that's the way it works. Okay, so check out this. Okay, it is on an uptrend, and check it out. This is the way it should work. Once you have gotten this, then it shows that you should be getting ready to trade the spikes around there. All you just need to do, you can definitely put up your first order on this. You can put up your first order on this and using a very small lot size, and once you get your entry arrow, which is the buy arrow, then you can place another order for your entry position for the spikes, okay, to start happening. But if the first order you open is very close to the entry point arrow, then you don't need to open another one, because you don't know how far it will go negative before it starts spiking. Okay, so in case it breaks that support level, you target the next support level to open another order. So that is the way it was. But check it out, just after days it started spiking. Okay, it spiked up. So this is the strategy I want you to use. We will be introducing stop loss because I want you to see something, to realize what actually happened here. Okay, check it out. This is the entry point again. Let me fix that again. This is the entry point. On this candle is the entry point. Okay, but check it out, it is still spiking even till this level. This is the current situation of the market. Okay, So check it out. That is a lot of profit. Okay, how do you benefit from all this profit, and at the same time I'm very sure you don't want to lose your profit back? Okay, so that is why we will be introducing stop loss. Okay, a number of you might be thinking that how can we use stop loss for boom and crash? Of course we can. Okay, we can use stop loss. The only way you cannot use stop loss is to stop the spikes. For instance, you are trading like this and you want it to stop to hold the spikes. No, it won't stop the spike. It is not strong enough to hold back the spike. Okay, that is one thing I need you to know. Okay, but while trading spike, you can use stop loss. So that is what we'll be using to lock up some of our profits so that we will make some money for ourselves. So I'm going to add some horizontal lines and change their colors so that we will know our entry point and our exit point. These are some of the things we will be looking at in order to trade these assets successfully. Okay, so let's check them out. I love using red as our stop loss, so I'm going to use white as our entry point. Okay, this is the white horizontal line is our entry point. Okay, let's say the blue line is our current action price. Okay, it spiked from here, it started from here, spiked from here and went up to this level, which is cool, not too far from our entry point. We can still leave it open, and it spiked again to this level. Then at this stage we can introduce our stop loss to somewhere here. Okay, so what is that telling us? The stop loss is keeping the profit between this red line to the white line, okay, which is the entry point. It is keeping that profit, leaving the profit between here to this place open for us to make more profit. Okay, you need to spend money to make more profit. Okay, isn't that it? So which means if the market should reverse a bit or should pull back a bit and it get to this red line, even if it's going below this red line, but once it get to this red line, we will be out of the market already. Automatically it happens, it will take us out of the market and we will be keeping that profit for ourselves. And even if it goes below the red line and even get to this white line, it's not going to affect the profits we have kept for ourselves. Okay, that is how beautiful this is. But fortunately for us, it came down a bit and spiked up again, came down a bit and spiked up again. At this stage we can adjust our stop loss to somewhere here just to increase the profit margin we are keeping for ourselves. Okay, you can check it out, the profit has increased now. So if this action price should get to this level, we will be taken out of the market immediately. But check it out, it's reversed, it pulled back a bit to this level, spiked up again, came down to that level again, spiked up again, came down to the level here, then spiked up again, came down, spiked up to this level. At this stage it has really gone up. What should we do? We adjust our stop loss again to somewhere here. It helps us to increase the profit margin again. So we are keeping quite a lot of profit for ourselves right now, isn't it? And giving us, which is also giving us the opportunity to continue with the trend. Okay, so that is how beautiful it is. Then it came down again, spiked up, gave us a double spike, and also came down again a bit and spiked up to this level. At this stage we can always adjust our stop loss again to somewhere here. Okay, and let's see how far it will go. So around there it is consolidating within the same region, so we can leave it open till we see a major spike, probably breaking from a major resistance level or not. Okay, or if it is going to pull back fully, or if the trend will change direction totally. Okay, so at this stage this is the profit we have kept for ourselves. This is our entry point. This is where we are at the moment. If it should break the next resistance level, we are going to adjust the stop loss again to increase the profit margin we are keeping for ourselves. Okay, isn't that amazing? And when can we stop this? Okay, you can stop this as soon as, okay, in case this didn't get to the to the stop loss to take us out of the market, as soon as this our trend, it's showing us a drop down arrow here telling us that we should be getting ready for a sell or for a downtrend, then we should exit the market immediately. You should just close the market at that point, and you don't need a price action to get to the stop loss at that particular point. So that is the way it works. You can always do this over and over again. So um watch out for my next video, but before then I want you to have this setup on your demo account. Practice it throughout today, and make sure you practice and perfect it first, and after doing that you can now try it out on your real account. You can give us your experience. You can share your experience in the comment section and let us know if it is profitable for you or not. And also you can also contact me directly if you have any personal question or experience you want to share with me. Just contact me. My contact details are on the screen right now, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. Remember, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now, and also set the notification bell to all notification. That is the only way you can be notified whenever I drop a training video like this on my channel. Okay, so I'll be stopping here right now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.